Yes, jaduong' Awino Kibrit.
Yes.
Nang'o jatao?
Aber kabisa.
Yes. Reken wawach gi dho jarachari matong' ji winjo mang'eny. Yes. Yeah. Yes. I want you to introduce yourself.
Okay.
Yes.
You call me Benga Awino Kibrit.
Yes.
Yes.
Wangi camera,
Yes.
Yes. What is your profession?
My profession is teaching.
You are a teacher?
Yeah, I'm teaching journalism.
Yes.
Yes.
This is your office, eh?
This is my office.
Okay. But you like music?
Definitely, actually from the initial stages.
Yes.
Yes.
Which artist? Like which artist?
I like so many artists actually.
Yes.
Kolela Maze, that was my best.
Yes.
Awino Lawi,
Yes.
Chenka Basela.
Yes.
Actually, most of this rumba,
Benga
music.
Benga music.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Actually, initially before we started knowing Benga music,
Yes.
okay, there are people who are like there's a uncle of mine called Jojo.
Yeah.
Yeah, those people at least
The pioneers of the
Bengas.
Yes.
Jojo,
Yes.
this person from Kalachonyo, Ghana.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was seeing them when I was still young actually. They were coming to our areas.
Okay.
They play guitar.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. I'm seeing you are holding a record.
Yes.
Yes. Which artist is this, and which label, and the composer?
This is Ogwala Badjoaya.
Ogwela Badjoaya.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The composer is Umoya Seri Moja.
Yes.
I suppose Umoya was playing with Kolela Maze.
Was a drummer. Yes.
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 Victoria B. Kings.
Yes.
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 Actually, I like Kolela music.
Okay.
Yes.
This is a present I brought to you today because of your contribution you did with Johera Mar Benga platform. Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes. And I promised I was supposed to bring you one record, one free record.
I didn't know that you meant it.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wonderful. I'm very grateful actually.
Yes.
My friend, I'm very grateful.
Thank you very much.
Very
Thank you. Welcome.
Continue with that one.
Okay.
Oh, wonderful.
Burial will be on 16th of December.
16th of December.
Oh,
it's okay.
Yes. I hope you will attend the burial.
I will definitely.
Yes.
But unfortunately, we will where I'm working.
Yes.
We'll be having some programs. We'll actually be having a graduation ceremony.
Where are you working actually? What's the name of the institution?
Technical University of Kenya.
Technical University of Kenya.
In
yes.
Nairobi.
Yeah, in Nairobi.
That's where I work.
Thank you very much.
Not at all.
Thank you. Okay.
Be blessed, my brother.
Okay, thank you.